Evernorth's already about to go live on the NASDAQ, and the chart is setting up beautifully for next week. I'm not going to waste too much of your time, so let's go ahead and get into it. Good morning, XRP Army. As always, if it's your first time here, be sure to kick back, relax, and enjoy yourself. But if it's your second time, it's time for payment. You need to hit subscribe, smash the like button, and leave a comment, please. I appreciate every single one of you. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and hop into the chart. Let's take a look, see what we're working with today. All right, so not much has changed. We're still sitting with our same resistance levels. We had the liquidity sweep yesterday that we caught live on camera. That was fun. We got to point that out. And as you can see, since then, we've started slowly moving up. And again, as I've said in the past, these liquidity sweeps tend to show the hand of the institutional investors. This is your confirmation that there is institutional investors playing around. And if you want, I pulled this up, I expanded back so I could show you this too, but we had this liquidity sweep here, which we called out yesterday, and it started to move up, right? We had a liquidity sweep here. You can see it started to move up. And if we scroll back, we had this spike here. Obviously, that was the liquidation event. That was something different. So that doesn't even apply. But if you can see this repeated, liquidity sweep, spike. Let's see here. Where's the next one? Liquidity sweep, spike. Where we go? I'm looking for another one here. Liquidity sweep, spike. I mean, this one is the only one right here where we shot down. That wasn't liquidity sweep. That was a spike all the way up and then it sold. So, but you can see, liquidity sweep, spike, and it goes the opposite direction too. Spike down. So, just some food for thought, not financial advice, but that is, you can see the move that happened after this one. You can kind of get an idea of what may or may not be happening. And I mean, this move went all the way up here. So if we extrapolate that, if we were to, expand upon it, this liquidity sweep went like what, 2-3 times longer than this one. So if we were to expand this out 2-3 times, I don't even think I can go out that far. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. That put us up to about this 320 marker that we were calling out for Ripple Swell. So definitely interesting. I hope you guys enjoy that. And I'm going to go ahead and move over to the news, which there's only a little bit here, but Evernorth NASDAQ launch heralds a new chapter for XRP. Hold on to your hats because Evernorth Holdings just stirred the pot in cryptocurrency landscape. Officially stepping onto the NASDAQ stage with their ticker symbol XRPN, the company has made waves by acquiring a staggering 1 billion XRP tokens. They already have their 1 billion XRP tokens. Thanks to its merger with American Acquisition Corp, the moment isn't merely about entering the public trade arena. It's a decisive pivot that ushers XRP into a new realm of institutional recognition. As a regulated platform for XRP investments emerges, the implications for cryptocurrency integration into mainstream finance are profound and intriguing, paving the path for widespread cryptocurrency embrace. So what is the game here? Evernorth's move could very well be a harbinger, Let me start over with that. Evernorth's move very well could be a harbinger of mass cryptocurrency acceptance, with regulatory frameworks for XRP clarifying in the U.S. This bold initiative underscores XRP's, burgeoning role as a reliable vehicle for institutional investment. Our mission is to create a trusted channel that links institutions' capital with XRP via public markets, explains Aisha Bertha, Evernorth CEO, and dramatic shift steers us away from speculative trading into a solid investment environment, giving institutions the green light to engage confidently with digital assets. So, with everything, there comes risk. We need to discuss the risk. So let's talk numbers, the stakes of Evernorth's XRP gamble. Evernorth's acquisition strategy isn't just ambitious, it's fundamentally reshaping the financial landscape. By focusing on open market XRP investments, the company is set to invigorate trading volumes, drawing in a tide of institutional investors looking for reliable entry points into the crypto realm. Just as MicroStrategy's bold buy-in for Bitcoin ignited a flurry of institutional interest in Bitcoin, Evernorth's trajectory could well mark a similar spotlight for XRP utility and for institutions. I mean, I can keep reading this, guys, but I mean, this is a great article. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and, this is everything I've been talking about, honestly. So XRPN, a new banner for say we just talked to, okay. The stakes of ETFs, okay. Let's see here. Paving the way for widespread cryptocurrency press. So we just did that one. Okay, so the metamorphosis from Amanda Acquisition Corp 2 to the fresh ticker XRPN is more than just cosmetic. It's a declaration of commitment to solidifying XRP's foothold in traditional finance circles. With heavyweight backers like SBI Holdings, which contributed a hefty $200 million, this launch aims to catch the attention of both retail traders and institutional players fishing for regulated alternatives to direct token ownership. The narrative isn't just shifting from decentralized focus, it's evolving towards structured frameworks hinting at substantial new inflows of institutional interest in digital assets. If you guys don't think adoption is happening and you don't think XRP is going to be moving at scale, I do not know what to tell you. The ripple effect, catalyzing XRP's market role. Evernorth's debut further showcases XRP's potential as a linchpin in liquidity management and decentralized finance, with a treasury already boasting 261 million XRP, bolstered by strategic alliances with entities like Ripple and Uphold. The company is gearing up to becoming a significant partner in liquidity sourcing with the crypto ecosystem. As excitement builds in the crypto community, investor enthusiasm is likely to rise in tandem, potentially igniting an unforeseen market dynamic, including price spikes influenced by renewed confidence in XRP. Forecasting the XRP future. The successful leap from private investments to a publicly traded entity signals a potential template for other cryptocurrencies to emulate. As regulatory acceptance gains ground, the foundation may soon be set for the emergence of XRP ETFs, attracting investors eager for regulated financial products. Drawing comparisons to the launch of Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, there's a palpable sense of optimism. If XRPN can capture broad market trust, we might see stabilization in prices and a wave of institutional capital inflowing, which is all we've been talking about for about the past 6 months with ETFs and futures and everything else going on. Currently trading at 252.5, still up slightly from yesterday's liquidity spike, which happened right about 247.6. And no new news other than that. Tomorrow is going to be the day, I believe, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the calm before the storm. I'm waiting for tomorrow. I've got my champagne ready. I think this week is going to be huge, not financial advice. If you made it to the end of the video, as always, I appreciate every single one of you. Let's go ahead and write party. If you made it to the end, comment party for me, because it's going to be a party next week. I'm calling it right now. I've called my shot for the last month, and I'm here waiting. I'm waiting to watch. So hopefully it all works out. I hope I'm right, and we'll find out tomorrow and next week. And as always, I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay diligent, and I'll catch y'all next one. Later.